2023 Ram 3500. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance, along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auxiliary input. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.